Okay, so in today's video, we are following more of a voiceover style simply because I have stumbled upon a deal that I wanted to share with you immediately. Of course, this is going to be on the all-new Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, the 2022 model. Now, I know some of you guys don't know that, there's a new or reinvented version of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So this one is it. This is that tablet. It dropped a few months ago. And of course, this is one that I highly recommend to those currently looking for good mid-range tablet that offers fantastic value. This is one. And even those who are trying to prep the terrain, before they jump or hop into premium tablets, like the more flagship ones like the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 or the S8 Plus or the S8 Ultra or even the S7 Plus. To those people who are trying to make that jump into premium tablets, this one would be a very good one to kind of prep you before you enter the realm of flagship tablets. Anyway, let's go ahead and talk about this specifically. The deal is going to be at Best Buy. You will be able to grab this guy here for $229. So I will have the link in the description. Make sure to hit the link simply because the link is a dynamic link, right? So if you were to go on the Best Buy website, you would be able to see this, right? But the link that I have in the description, if you click this and the deal is still available at Best Buy, it will take you directly there. However, if the deal has expired with Best Buy, then it will go ahead and recalculate and check other websites to see where to find another good deal for you. So make sure to click that link. Now, when you get on the website, you also want to make sure that you select the one that says 2022, like you see here. I believe there's another one like this one here. That'll simply say Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, 10.4 inches, 64 gigs Oxford Gray. This one is the 2020 model, so you want to stay away from this guy here and you want to make sure that you go for this one. And that also goes with this one. Even though this one says 2022 model, it's the 128 gigs. I personally would advise for you, let's say if you want something with a little bit more room or a little bit more space, right? It would only make sense for you to go for the 128 gigs as opposed to the 64 gigs. But I would advise, what I would do personally would be to go for the 64 gigs for $229, simply because this tablet here does offer the option to expand the internal storage, right? So you take this with 64 gigs, and of course, if you were to add $40, that would afford you the 128 gigs, but you could simply take that same $40, jump on like an Amazon website or eBay. As you can see here, with $19, you can already get up to 256 gigs, right, of that micro SD card that you can then use to stick in this tablet here, and that will get you at what, 256 plus 64, that's 270, so 320, is that right? I'm gonna say about 320 gigs. So that would be as if you added just $20 here for a total of $249 to get about 320 gigs of internal storage. So again, this channel leans more value. If you've been following the channel for a while, then you probably know that already. If you are new to the channel, what we try to do here is pretty much track deals and offer you advice that would make you get the best bang for your buck. And just like I just explained just now, rather than paying $270 for this, why don't you just go ahead and pay $230 for this and then use $20, pick up a 256 gigs micro SD card that you can just use to go ahead and expand the internal storage of this tablet, giving it way more space than you would get with this one. But anyway, to those of you not familiar with the tablet, I know I keep pointing out to you guys, make sure to watch some of the videos that I have made on this tablet. I have made a number of videos on this particular tablet doing initial reviews, battle videos between this one and the previous model, battle videos between this one and the iPad, and so forth. So make sure you go on the tab, on the video tab on the channel, so that you could go ahead and select one of those videos to watch. Now, just to give you kind of a quick glimpse of what this particular tablet here has to offer, this is loaded with 4 gigs of RAM, and like I said, you will get that base 64 gigs of internal storage. It is loaded, like I mentioned earlier, with the Snapdragon 720G, making it a lot more powerful than the previous model. The display is also pretty nice. You're looking at a resolution of 1200 by 2 2000, and it's also going to come loaded with Android 12, and you will have software support at up to minimum 3 major updates, right? So you're looking at Android 13, 14, and 15, possibly 16. But the great news here is that you have up to 3 major updates with this guy here. Now you have decent cameras here. Now nothing really crazy for you to be going around taking pictures that you're going to post on your Instagram or anything like that. You have very good battery, right? It's going to last the entire day. Obviously, it's always going to be subjective to the way you use your battery and all that good stuff. Either way, this is going to be a great tablet for you if you're always on the go, right? This is an extremely portable tablet. You have the Samsung S Pen there. It's going to make you more productive than if you didn't have the pen. And one thing that I also don't want to forget to highlight here is the fact that you have Samsung DeX available on this tablet here, meaning you should be, or you will be able to turn the display, right, the background or the desktop of your tablet there, making it mimic that of a computer or a tab, or just a laptop, right? And that's gonna make you a lot more productive, especially if you have like a keyboard and a mouse. Then oof, you are pretty much good to go. But anyway, let me know what any questions you may have in the comment section. I will catch you in that comment section. Like I said, this is one of those pre-Black Friday deals. I mean, Best Buy pretty much calls it a Black Friday deal. I'm not sure if they're gonna bring it down furthermore, some more during Black Friday, but as of now, this is what they're calling a Black Friday deal. So make sure that you don't miss this. Again, I will have those links in the description. I'm going to continue tracking deals and see what else I find. I'm also going to do the same for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and so forth. So look forward to those videos if you are more interested in the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. But anyway, I'm certainly hoping that this helps your purchasing decision if you happen to be in the market for this particular tablet or just for a mid-range tablet. Of course, make sure to like, subscribe, of course, share the video with anyone that you know is in the in the market for a tablet like this one. Like I said, I'm going to catch you in the comment section. I'm also going to catch you in the next video. Up until that next video, of course, as always, stay safe out there.